Hello everyone, I am the teacher for this question and the question is define valency by taking an example of silicon and oxygen. So हमें valency को define करना है by taking example of silicon and oxygen. So we know that valency is the combining capacity of an element. Okay, now we have silicon with atomic number 14 and we have oxygen with atomic number 8. So the configuration of silicon is 2 8 4. Okay, and the configuration of oxygen is 2 6. Now we will calculate valency by two methods. First, valency when valence electrons are less than or equal to 4. So in that case, valency should be equal to the number of valence electrons. Okay, and in B case, when valence electrons are greater than 4, so in that case valency will be 8 minus number of valence electron. Therefore in that case we have valence electron 4, in oxygen valence electron 6. So valency will be equal to the number of valence electron, और 4 के केस में 8 minus 4 करेंगे तब भी valency 4 आएगी, राइट. बट इन केस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन द valency will be 8 minus 6 which is equal to 2. So this is the valency, means ऑक्सीजन की कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी जो है वो 2 है, मीन्स ऑक्सीजन 2 बॉन्ड बना सकता है एंड सिलिकॉन 4 बॉन्ड बना सकता है. So this is how we define the valency. Thank you.